Good morning, students. In today's topic, I am going to teach you about verb and basic structures of a verb. This from your grammar book, lesson 3, page number 15. You can see there. So, let us know what is verb. The definition of verb is a verb is mainly a doing words. It describes the actions of a person or thing. It is a doing words. In very simple, you can say that a verb is a doing words and it describes about the actions of a person or a thing. Now see the basic structures of a verb. According to basic structure, there are two types of verb. One is called ordinary verb or principal verb, and the other is called auxiliary or helping verb. Here ordinary or principal both are same, and auxiliary and helping both are same. Now let us know what is ordinary or principal verb. Ordinary or principal verb. What is ordinary verb or principal verb? The number of ordinary verbs is unlimited. They are not finite or limited in number. And this ordinary verb or principal verb have 5 forms, as you can see the following examples here: verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4 and verb 5. See here, the first one is verb 1. Here it is main verb, or we can say it verb 1, and verb 2 will be at, verb 3 eaten, and verb 4 eating, verb 5 eats. Next go, verb 2 went, verb 3 gone, verb 4 going and verb 5 goes. Put, it is verb 1, verb 2 will be also put and verb 3 will be put, verb 4 will be putting and verb 5 puts. So one thing it is very important to know that for verb 2 and verb 3, for verb 2 and verb 3 you have to remember and memorize it from any grammar book, but for verb 4 and verb 5 you can make it yourself. How? See here, verb 4. What is verb 4? Verb 4 means main verb plus ing. If you add main verb if you add ing with the main verb, it will become verb 4, as go, as go, it is main verb, and if you add ing with this verb, it will become going, and this verb we call it verb 4, ing verb. So it is very simple, you can make it yourself. Only you have to put ing with the main verb. Suppose if it is eat, then you have to add ing eating. If it is go, then you have to add ing going. If it is put, then you have to add ing. But here the letter T will be double, putting. Why it is? Because if there is a consonant, see the verb put, it is put, P U T, put. See, if you find this kind of verb, the last letter of the verb, if it is consonant, and before that if it is a vowel, then you have to double the letter. the last letter you have to double it. As put, put, it will be putting. Putting, cutting. Similarly, putting. Similarly, cut, it will be cutting. Cutting, cutting. Okay. So verb 1, if you add ing with the main verb, it will become verb 4. You have to add ing with the main verb and it will become verb 4. And for verb 5, if you add verb plus s or es, it will become verb 5. Okay, this form of verb, whether it is verb 4 or verb 5, this form of verb you can make it yourself. For verb 4 you have to add ing, and for verb 5 you have to add s or es. Okay, but for verb 2 and verb 3, anyhow you have to remember or memorize from any grammar book, verb 2 or verb 3. Now see, auxiliary verb or helping verb. What is auxiliary verb or helping verb? Auxiliary verbs are limited in order. Originally they are 12. Originally they are 12. They are 12 and their expansion goes up to 24. The total number of auxiliary verbs are 12. Okay, you have to remember this. Total number of auxiliary verb is 12, but their expansion goes up to 24. How it is? See here. These are the examples of auxiliary verb or helping verb. The total number of auxiliary verb is 12 and their expansion goes up to 24. Here see, it is 24. Now see one by one. This part it is called primary auxiliary and this part it is called modal auxiliary. Okay, it is modal auxiliary and it is primary auxiliary. See first one, it is be. It is primary auxiliary verb and the present form of this verb is or am and past will be was were. Do, it is primary auxiliary verb and the present form is do does and past will be did. Have, it is primary auxiliary verb and the present form is have has and the past it is had. Now see the modal auxiliary verbs. Can, it is a modal auxiliary verb. The present form it is can and past form could. May, present form may and past form it is might. Shall, present form shall and past form should. Will, present form will and past form would. Must, present form it is must and past form there is no past form of must. Ought to, present form ought to and there is no past form of ought to. Need, present form need and past form there is no past form of need. Used to, there is no present form of used to, but it has past form as used to. Dare, present form dare and there is no past form of dare. So this way if you count this total number of auxiliary verb, it will be 12 and their expansion goes up to 24. Okay, thank you, that's all for now. We'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, take care, have a nice day.